In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app, then navigate to the You page. Here you're going to find this section of history. Click on View All. Now click on the Shorts option. Here you're going to find all the shorts that you have watched. Click on three dots next to each one short and select Remove from Watch History. This will help stop YouTube from recommending shorts. Then navigate back to your home page. Scroll until you see the short section, tap the three dots in the top right corner of it and select Show Fewer Shorts, which hides them for about 30 days before resetting. If shorts are still appearing, you can turn on incognito mode from the You section. For that, navigate to the You page, then click on the option Turn on Incognito. This will stop all recommendations including shorts. Next up, click on the settings icon, then head over to the option Manage All History. Switch to Controls and pause your YouTube history. Pausing history removes shorts and regular recommendations entirely. So you'll see a blank home feed and will need to search or explore manually, making it a trade-off depending on how you want to use YouTube. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.